Welcome. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to apply duct insulation to specific duct types of a system type based on their diameter using BIMLOGIQ Copilot. Let's start by writing a detailed prompt to instruct BIMLOGIQ Copilot to apply insulation rules. These rules will account for duct type, system type, and diameter, ensuring precision and flexibility. BIMLOGIQ Copilot processes the prompt and generates the code to apply insulation based on the specified rules for both large and small ducts. First, let's look at a duct with a diameter larger than 5 inches. As you can see, the diameter is shown in the Properties panel, and the insulation applied will be 2 inches. Now let's select a duct with a diameter of 5 inches or smaller. In this case, the insulation applied will be 1 inch. Now, let's save this command for easy reuse in future projects, ensuring that the insulation rule is consistent across your designs. Finally, we test the saved command by applying it to ducts with the return air system type. And there you have it. The insulation is applied correctly, and the Properties panel updates to reflect the new diameter and insulation thickness. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.